Hi, welcome to Upkeep in a Jeep, where normally I work on my 2006 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited LJ, and I will be doing that today. This is the first time I'm doing an intro in the newly painted kind of studio drum room of sorts, and I wanted to get kind of a better quality in the beginning as an introduction and kind of conclusion to the video. So today I will be working on the Jeep Wrangler seat. Also coming up, I will be doing a series on the StarCraft 10RT Overland pop-up camper that I got. I'm basically refinishing the entire thing, and it will be pulled behind the Jeep to do some camping and hopefully have some adventures. But today I'm going to be working on the seats. Now, Wrangler TJs are notorious for the bushings on the seats to go bad because they're kind of like a reclining, and they rock and they pull all the way back to get people into the back seat. So over time they deteriorate, and there's not really any replacement parts. Even if you wanted to purchase the entire bottom like rack system, that's discontinued. There are some certain things you can buy online, but I really have not found anything like a permanent fix that's kind of as good as or better than the stock version. So I went to Lowe's and I purchased a bunch of little bushings. I measured them out, brought the bolt in with me, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully this is a fix and I can help other people out. So let's get to it. So if you have the TJ, this is what I was talking about. There's usually a bushing here and then a bushing portion here. They all disintegrated. This is everything you're going to need to fix your wobbly Wrangler TJ seat. These are the most important parts. This spacer, this one, another kind here, which is a thinner one, and then this nylon washer. And I used a knife, this pipe cutter, super glue, gel, and needle nose, and a file. So these are the sizes. So when they first disintegrated, I went online and bought these like 3D printed ones for a solution. But they fell apart after about a year. They did okay. So you're going to take your T40 and just take this bolt out. So there it is. The idea is I'm going to cut the smaller one, sandwich it on there, slide the bigger one on, and then use the washer and cut a smaller piece of the thinner nylon tubing for the bottom section. So first off, for this spacer, I already cut a piece off for the other side to test it. You're going to put it here, and you're going to mark it, and then cut that piece off so it's nice and snug in there, and then cut down the side. Let's go ahead and do that now. I put this where it was marked and then spin it, and I actually found a screw that would go in here like this. And just tighten it up. I'd go a couple of turns, tighten that, Of course, there's other ways you could probably cut this easier. This is what I have right now, so. Okay, so there it goes. This is what you have. And you're going to cut through it. I'm gonna take needle nose, stretch it out like that. We're gonna go over the Jeep now. All right, sorry about the lighting. Stretch it out one more time. Quickly put it on there like that. And this one is going to go over the top of it. It's a very close tolerance, so that's good. And I'm just going to rub or spread some of this super glue on there. Just enough to keep it on. Oh, that looks perfect. Looks like good as new. If I can, the sun's really bright out today, so there you go. Now time to do the bottom section. So for this portion, you're going to be using this bolt that came out and the wider inside diameter. You're going to be using this first, and I'm going to be cutting some of this washer off and then cutting a piece to butt up to be exactly that size, using the same method with this. Alright, now that this is cut, just do a little bit of... Alright, so with this trimmed, this fits perfectly there, and then this here, and I'm just gonna bolt it in. Alright, so we have our washer, our bushing, screw that in. You want to get the flat part up on top, push the seat down a little bit. There it is. Let's try it out. Wow. So that's that side. Man, I need to vacuum. And then you have to do, these are the hard ones on both seats. Let's go check out the other one I already finished. Again, still have to do, I know it's kind of dark, this side, but man, what a difference. I picked this thing up, and this works perfect. This tiny little ratchet to get, and you can reach this right back here and use that just like that. It's a tight fit. Check it out one last time with the GoPro. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, that pretty much takes care of it. I think those bushings are going to do a good job at keeping that seat stiffer and able to roll back and forth, and probably safer. Please like and subscribe, and put in the comments if that helped you out, or if you needed any, if you had any other questions. Stay tuned, because the Overland pop-up videos, I'm editing them now, and I will be putting them on my channel as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Upkeep in the Jeep.